Hello guys, and in this video I will show you what to do if one of your earbuds on your AirPods Pro 2nd is louder than the other one. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we need to connect our earbuds to our phone. After this, we need to open Settings and find a tab named Accessibility. We click on it. We go a little bit lower and we need to find tab Audio and Visual. We click on that. And right here you can see a setting which is named Balance. Right here you can balance the loudness of every earbud with this moving dot. If you move it to the right side, the left earbud will be louder, and if you move it to the left side, the right earbud will be louder. If the condition of loudness on your earbuds is critical, you would need to take them to the service. Or you can firstly try just cleaning them. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.